Hi friends, I'm Chef Leticia. I'm a Chilean chef, a mom, and the founder of Leticia's Recipes. And I'm very excited to be here to introduce you to all these beautiful ingredients that are gonna go into your new vegan empanadas that you're gonna find at Little Plant Pantry. They are flying out of the shelf. Everything is made from scratch. So we brought some beautiful ingredients from Chile to make this deliciousness that are called vegan empanadas. We brought salt from the Atacama Desert, and we also put into your empanada this amazing merquén smoked chiles that we put just a little bit, a little touch of it. They smell absolutely wonderful. We use the winter vegetables, local vegetables, so we use beetroot, we also use parsnip, and we use all the fresh stuff I have in the garden. Also, kale. Kale is a fantastic source of vitamin K, but you can't do a good empanada without putting some very nice mushroom and what we call on Chilean cooking, the sofrito. So, well friends, you're gonna have all this goodness, olive oil, fresh pepper that we ground, all the good stuff, and everything is gonna go into your vegan empanada. So what a good empanada would be without a good Chilean wine. That's a typical way we eat in Chile, empanadas and wine. So we brought, especially for you, the rosé wine, white wine, and our very distinctive Carmenere that you can also find at Little Plant Pantry. Because this is not just a vegan empanadas, this is an empanada pairing with amazing wine. So we're hoping to see you there. Cheers to you all, and see you next time.